And the year went 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, my name is Taylor. I do music and audio for a living, and today I'm going to show you how to make trending audio and music in Logic Pro in under 10 minutes. Here we go. Let's make a 30-second track that could work on social media, but also shows the basics of a song. First, we open a session. I like to choose empty project, and then I chose a tempo, a key, and a time signature. These ones are pretty common, so let's just roll with these. The key elements of a song are the rhythm, often used as a beat or a drum beat. Then there is harmony, which are usually chords. There are melody, which can be a combination of the bass, a voice, or singing, or like a guitar, or something with a solo. I'm gonna choose a software instrument because I know I wanna use one of my MIDI instruments to create most of the melody and harmony. But first, let's do an arrangement. If you hit Control, Option, Command, and R, I know that I want my reel to be 30 seconds. So I'm gonna make a mark at 30 seconds. What I can do is I can do an intro, let's see, right here. Then I'll do a chorus, or no, this is a verse. So this will kind of build a little bit. Yeah, and then I'll do a chorus, and then an outro. And I'll leave it a little bit short. Just to change it, you click there, hit outro. All right, so the next trick I'm gonna do is go up and I can either do a drummer track up here, and with this arrangement filled in, it'll just populate those sections for me. I wanna click over here, hit hip hop, and I like this modern hip hop kind of beat template that they have as Anton. I don't wanna use the drummer track. I wanna show you how to use the loops. Because if you don't have a musical background, this is for sure the fastest way to go. I'm gonna go up here and choose, let's do beats. I have the genre of hip hop already selected. I wanna do lo-fi, because I like these. All right, so grab some of these, throw them in. Let's do one for the intro. I'm not gonna import that. It automatically quantizes it with whatever rhythm I choose, which is really nice. That just means it lines up the tempo. But then I wanna do a fade. So I'm gonna hit the tools button, which is T, hit A, and then fade this down. And then if you right click, there's this slow down option, which I find really cool. So, and then you can kind of finesse it. Sweet, I think I want like a fatter bass sound. That's the one, here we go. All right, I'm gonna double click that, hit Command A, select all, and then I'm gonna hit this Q right here, which is quantize. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of swing, bring the strength down to about 70, so it's all nice and tight. So now it's time for harmony. I'm gonna use Command Option S and create a new track. Otherwise, you can just add a new track by clicking this plus sign here. And new software instrument track. Boom, 2 of them. Let's do, cinematic. Moments. Ooh. It's a little bit much. And I'm just using the arrow to cycle through. Ooh, I kind of like this one. And then we're gonna clean that up same way as before. Click in the window, Command A, and then we will hit Q. And I flubbed a little bit, so I'm gonna delete those. And then they need to start right inside here if we wanna hear them. This is one of those things that could be a problem for you. All right, now is my favorite part. I think we want some sort of vocal hook. We have like a nice little harmony / melody going with the beat. So I think to make it really pop, we need some words. So what's really nice about Logic is you can just search voice and it'll give you a bunch of different options. Let's see. If I just hit play, we can test them out and see how they work. I think this might be cool if we put some effects on it. So I'm gonna put this right here. Let's spread it out a little bit. kind of between sections. Let's do right at the end of the verse, then right at the end of the chorus. Audio effects, do a multi-effects, and then let's do rhythmic. Let's do dirt chop. Here we go. So I'm just gonna add a reverb here. And moving spaces, I like that. Let's do crosswind. Ooh, let's switch that order. Ooh, and let's do this again. And then we'll just put a classic reverb on it. Ooh, let's do a plate verb and a drum plate. All right, then I want to add something that's a little bit more of an ear candy now that we kind of have a hook with the beat going. Let's do this walkie-talkie garble. And then if you want to add your own vocals, you hit Option Command A or hit this plus sign up here and you can choose an audio track. Sometimes it's fun to add the effects first to see what we get. So I can go to these multi-effects again. Let's do the step effects. Let's see if there's anything for vocals. Ooh, I like warped. Broken droid. All right, let's see if this works.
Hello. Hello.
And how about we just list the months of the year so we can show photos?
January. February.
And let's make my voice sound cooler. I'm just going to transpose it down 4 notes.
And the year went
1, 2, 3, 4.
January, February, March.
And then when you want to wrap up your song, you can just go to the main stereo out, hit settings, click. If you go to factory, and then you choose the style of music you made, it'll have some mastering on there for you.
And the year went
1, 2, 3, 4.
January, February, March, then April, May, June, and July, August, September, October, November, and December.
And then all you have to do, add some pictures, add some video, and it's been a great year. That's how I'd make trending audio in Logic. If this was helpful for you, please hit subscribe and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and we'll talk soon. Thanks, bye.